shit. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. We're here with the Jeep this time, and not the Miata. And we're doing a Speedo gear. So we'll roll over the shop real quick. Let's get it set up, and we'll start knocking this thing out real quick. So basically, my Speedo reads wrong with the 35s. So we're gonna swap the gear out the way my Speedo actually reads right. Because right now it's about 10 miles an hour slow. Just throwing off my calculations to find the fuel mileage. So yeah, let's go to the shop. We'll get it all set up and pop the little sensor off and see how it goes. Stop by my house and I grabbed a package, showed up. This is all the exhaust pipe I need. It's all 3-inch for the Miata. So let's open this up real quick. Oh yeah, look at that. Hell yeah. 3-inch mandrel bent pipe. Ooh, I'm excited. Oh, it's oiled. Ah, it's got oil all over it. Probably keep it from rusting in that warehouse or whatever. Hell yeah, man. That's all for the Miata. Run the rest of the Miata's exhaust. I am hyped. I'm so excited for that. But yeah, let's hop back on this Speedo gear real quick. Under the Jeep, on the back of the tailstop of the transfer case. I know it's super dark in here, but you can see this little Speedo sensor right here. Basically, you need to pop that little collar off, slide this out, and change the gear out. So I'm gonna unplug the sensor, just like that. And we can get that, it looks like a 10mm out, and we'll be ready to roll. So let me pop the time lapse. Alright, I got it out, and I pulled the little gear out. And this is the old one. We're gonna go ahead and change that O-ring out and pop this new one in. See the size difference? This is stock. This is running 373 gears with 35, so I have like a 28 tooth or a 29 tooth. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this sucker in, just like that, and change this O-ring out. All right, got the old one off. Pop the new one on real quick. Like so, and basically just pop this bad boy in. That shouldn't move now, which it doesn't. Cool, that should be it. So let's go and drive and see what happens. I'm gonna put the little head mount on. I look like a complete dingus for you guys, just to get the shot though. So it is not working, so we're gonna turn around and see what we did wrong here. Alright, I got it working right. I had to tooth the, okay, so basically you want the symbol for the like 28 to 32 tooth to be at the 5 o'clock position, and I had it pointed up at like 2 o'clock. So it does work now. I just rolled out of the shop. So we're gonna test how accurate it is. It already looks better than before. We'll pull up a GPS speed. So you don't hear a bunch of wind. It's still a little slow, but it's much better than it was. See, that's 50 and it's saying like 48. So it's like 2 miles an hour off. That's not too bad. We're gonna get out here on the highway and we're really gonna speed up and see how off it gets, see how far off. Probably could have gone with a 28 tooth instead of a 29, but the chart did say 29 tooth. Getting on the highway now. 65, 66. We could try the other app I have, race stats. Do a 0 to 60 test here. See what we get. Ready? Waiting on the green light. This is what it's like driving the Jeep. It's kind of sketchy. Steering wheel's all over the place. Oh, look at these fuckers running the red light. I can't get a good 0 to 60 time in with the fucking dude in front of me that ran the red light, bro. See if I can do a 0 to 60 here. Nobody's behind me. Seconds, 0 to 60. And I burnt the clutch a little bit. Might be a little tired. Hell yeah, that's cool. This thing is so fun. So yeah, all in all, I should probably go down another tooth, but I think this will get me by no problem. Should be accurate enough to keep the cops off my ass. Not that they're looking at a stock Jeep anyway, you know, so that's probably gonna be it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed a little more Jeep content. It's hard to get content of this thing because I'm never really working on it. It's a pretty sturdy little stout unit, so hope you guys enjoyed that 0 to 60 of 6.27 seconds. That's pretty quick for a fucking TJ Jeep 98, huh? But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see y'all in the next video. Later, y'all.